Good morning. A minute's silence has just been observed for the Queen. People paused across the United Kingdom a little over an hour ago as a show of respect ahead of the state funeral. From homes to public places, including Westminster Hall, people stopped to remember their Queen.
Big Ben was originally planned to strike before and after the minute's silence, but failed to do so. The clock tower has a big role in official funeral proceedings, as it's set to toll once every minute as the Queen's coffin leaves Westminster Abbey. An urgent investigation is underway, and a UK Parliament spokesperson released a statement saying they're confident it will not affect funeral proceedings.